Parang narinig ko po siya, pero hindi ko pa po siya na, alam ko na parang nag-talk yata po yan dito.
Actually, alam siya na ano siya, mahirap. Kahit biglang sila may-ari, namatay yung may-ari, siya kasi tinawagan.
Okay.
Pero magaling kami, alam na kung kami sa UP, nag-aagree na yung
Mga bike buds, finally, the reveal. Tapos na siya, and I've been working on different ideas for this build. Actually, tapos na siya in a sense na pwede ko na siyang gamitin, but it's not yet finished for my purpose. So, kailangan pa niya ng racks and then yung toddler carrier. But that's soon. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo, sharing lang. Enjoy! This is our Muddy Fox Seeker Mega build. It's a 1991 Muddy Fox Seeker Mega. I got the original stem and handlebar. I also got the original seat, but the seat post, not because it was a stock seat post and pretty much the damage na seat post. However, the saddle is also torn. So may tear siyang mahaba pa ganon. But it's the original seat with the Muddy Fox print. Alright, this is a parts bin build. So meaning wala akong group set na specific dito. I didn't want to do a catalog build because the original group set for this specific bike is the 500LX, which is really hard to complete na rin. So I have all the parts that are there, NOS or used, are all in my parts bin. So let's see. Alright, start with this one. I have an extra. This is like an Auri design grips. It's super comfy, super lambot, but it's not as sticky as the Auri. Shimano SIS. I also sell these, and I have lots of these in store pa. This is a Shimano 200GS brake set. So Perian brake levers and the cantilever brakes. Alright, of course the Muddy Fox stem and handlebar, its original headset, which is I think it's a Tioga Avenger then. And then I got an extra Mavic X221 rims without decals. So yun na yung ginamit ko. It's a 36 hole rim, double wall, without the decals lang. And then I got a used Diore LX na M560 na hubs front and rear, extra na XC-Comp na Suntour front derailleur, 31.8 clamping, and then this one is a Sunrun 2000. It's actually a good RD, one of the cheap ones, pero parang kalinya niya yung mga sunrays, ganyan. Though I plan to upgrade siguro next time, but for this time this will do. It shifts very well naman. Clean switching or shifting, because naka friction shifter din naman tayo na SIS. And then I have this Sugino forged 28 to 48, 2838 48T na crankset, Suntour BB, and then Shimano Japan chain. Japan yan, hindi yan China na yung mga mabibili nyo sa online. This is original Japan. And then, yes, I have this NOS Veta saddle, which I really like. Malambot siya sa puwet. Kung nakita nyo, NOS siya, may linya na siyang yellow. Yan yung ticket eh. But this is Veta Taiwan. And then the original seat binder. It's a Muddy Fox seat binder. Alright. Oh, lastly, this is a Diore XT na pedals that I have laying around. Nakita ko lang, so I used it. I'll put the toe clip pa, but thinking whether white or black. I have lots of black, but probably I'm going to go with white, though hindi pala ako nakakahanap ng cat eye kasi favorite ko ang cat eye. I have lots of cat eye toe clips, but iba-iba kulay. May yellow, green, pink. Wala akong white. Right. So, feast and enjoy. There you have it, mga bike buds. Until the next build. The next builds, I have actually two coming. The other one is the restoration project ongoing for the Mini Velo. And then the other one is a Trek VW Jetta version, which a client has asked me to restore. So yon, medyo madugo siya. Mahaba-haba siyang restoration project. Hopefully masalba yung mga original parts na nakakabit, but if not, we're going to source out the parts. Alright, until next time, see you, ride safe, always enjoy.